Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own gem in Gemini AI. Gems are like your personal mini apps inside Gemini. You can customize them with instructions, files, or prompts to make Gemini do specific tasks for you, like for study helpers, content generators, or even travel planners. So let's dive in. First, just open Gemini AI and then just log in using your Google account, just like you normally do. And then just click on menu icon, this one, the three horizontal lines in the corner. And then just tap on explore gems. This is where you can discover existing gems or just create your own. And then just click on new gems. And on here, just give your gem a name and then just write down the instructions so Gemini knows exactly what you want it to do, and then just upload a file to use as reference materials like a PDF, notes, or data. This is what makes your gems unique and powerful. For example, let's create a gem called, for example, like this, and then for instructions I will type like this. Maybe I will make my instructions like this. And then next for the knowledge, I will upload a PDF about plant tissue culture. And once everything is set up, you can run a quick test to see how your gems works. Like for example, I will ask like this. Like this, and then just submit. Like this, Gemini will answer your ads like this. And then if the quick test or the preview looks good, just tap on save. And then see your gem is now ready to use anytime that you want. Just start chat to use your gems. And that's it, you just created your own custom gem inside Gemini AI. This is a powerful way to make Gemini work exactly the way you need, whether it's for studying or for work projects or even personal hobbies. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.